let me show you guys. If I have this space, I would definitely do this as a bar area where there is a bar where people, my guests, can sit and drink wine and tequila or whatever they like, right? I'm gonna do like a really nice cabinetry there with all of my wines, and then a sitting area here for bar stools, a little bit higher countertop so that my guests would enjoy sipping whatever they like wine or whatever they want, because I wanted to make sure I can get their business, right? Hello everybody, welcome back. It's so windy here on the Upper Valley. I'm here in Summerlin, and I apologize if my sound is not too good, but I wanted to show you one single story home today by Lennar. And as you know, guys, Lennar has that trademark of everything is included. As you can see on my background, that's the background there. This is in the upper portion. So when you go down out of this community, you see a lot of strip views. So that's what I like about Summerlin. You're elevated, so you see a lot of views, especially the mountains. So we're gonna tour this house here, right? This is a single story, nice front facade. But before we proceed to the tour, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button so that you won't miss any of the videos that I will be posting every day. Yes, and if you have missed some of my videos, please check out the channel page. There is a playlist of all the homes that I toured so far, guys. And if you have a house that you want me to tour, please comment down below. I'd love to tour your house as well. All right, let's do this. Let's take a look at this single story home by Lennar. All right, we're gonna tour this beauty here, single story. And this is the Sidney model. Love the pavement here. And apologize if the sound is a little harsh because it's so super windy here. But I like the design of this one. It will give light inside the garage. That's your 2-car garage, right? Nice stonework. I would change this to a light gray because I like light gray color. All right, let's do this. They have already installed the smart system here, so it's pretty nice. All right, I'm seeing a really nice open floor plan there, but let's take a look on the left side first, see what's happening on this side. Left side, you have your secondary bedroom here. Wow, this window here is huge. And I'm gonna span here, guys. See, it's regular size secondary bedroom. Look at that, United States Patent Office, baseball. Who is a baseball fan here, guys? Please comment down below. You'll enjoy this room. All right. So this is your secondary bedroom. Let's see what's happening on this side. Of course, you have to have a bathroom. This one, guys. Hello, is your sink. Again, they've used this kind of tile for you to be able to clean it easily. And what is this? Oh, okay, coat closet. You know what I noticed about Lennar? They use this nice doors here. Right? It's really nice. And again, as you can see, guys, the height of this is probably 11 feet. When you have a single story house, your ceiling height is literally high. All right, before we go to the main living room area, look at your office. You will work hard, become richer, even richer. You get more clients on this kind of office, guys. You'll have them sit there and talk about your business plans. And again, this house is a baseball fan. So if you have clients that are in the baseball industry, You'll be able to entertain them here very well. Look at your office. And you're talking to your business people, your clients, your partners. I believe this is the opening to the garage, right? You know what I like about Lennar is this one. They have this future car charger outlets in the garage bring convenience to homeowners with electric cars. So you're getting a smart system in an electric car outlet. All right, this is your laundry area. Again, guys, I always recommend that if there is a way to put like a small bathtub for your dog, then please do so, because you'll appreciate in the future once you're cleaning your dog, you don't have to go all the way to the bathtub of your bedroom. You can just have them do their cleaning here, especially when you go outside and their feet are too dirty. You can definitely wash them here if you have a tub for the dog. So this one is a closet. And I believe, okay, so this is what I like, guys, because I believe that room there is the bathroom of the owners. So this closet here has access immediately to the laundry area. That is one of the floor plans that I really like, because then if you're a really busy person, then you can immediately get your laundry and put them back there. That's why I like this kind of floor plans when your laundry room is right after your closet area. All right, let's go to the main living area. Are you ready, guys? I'm super excited to see this for the first time and tour this, guys, with you. Look at this design. I'm seeing a massive island there. All right, you have your dining area there, living room area. You can watch TV while cooking, and then you have again another seating area. Right? When you get bored on your office, you can discuss things here by playing this Scrabble. I miss playing this Scrabble. Please comment down below if you've played Scrabble before. I'm pretty sure you did, but I want to know if that is something that you do. I did that before a lot of times when I was a kid. All right, let's take a look at this kitchen. This kitchen has this nice backsplash. Whenever I chose a backsplash for a kitchen, I like a glass backsplash. And you know why? Because it's easy to clean, right? But when you do your counter and you have this grout, you have to make sure that there is a technology or material that builders or other people use nowadays where you can actually have an anti-stain grout. So ask around, they know what I'm talking about anti-stain grout, so that once you're cooking or splash something there, it's not going to get stained easily. All right, so this is your pantry here. Look at this beauty, guys. And spanning from the corner of the kitchen. And I like this counter. Again, I'm not a fan of a dark countertop, but when the countertop is beautiful, even if it's dark, then I like it. Ooh, you have your professional cooktop here. This is definitely vented. I don't want to open it anymore, but I believe this is vented. But take a look at your cabinetry. This might be 42 inches, but I love this style, guys. Very simple, but modern. It's timeless, right? So I would choose that. And again, I love this, right? Your water dispenser there, huge sink, which I like for doing your washing. And again, this one should not hit that. Let's check it out. Oh, it's hitting it a little bit, right? See that? But it's not a big deal. But I would prefer that those two will not hit each other when open together. But again, it's not a big deal. All right, let's take a look. I'm spanning around, guys, on this area here. All right, lots of recessed lighting. Okay, so they concentrated the recessed lighting there, but I would add more here. Or maybe put like a really nice modern chandelier. Even on this side, I can put like a really nice chandelier there. And there's a lot at Amazon, guys. Really, really nice modern chandelier that you can buy on Amazon. It's not too expensive. So I'm going on this side of the living room, guys, so you can appreciate the beauty of this open floor plan here. Okay, before we go to the backyard, I'm gonna go one more time on this side of the seating area here. Question, guys, would you do a seating area like this, or would you do another type of space here? All right, for me, if I have this space, okay, so let me show you guys. If I have this space, I would definitely do this as a bar area where there is a bar where people, my guests, can sit and drink wine and tequila or whatever they like, right? I'm gonna do like a really nice cabinetry there with all of my wines, and then a seating area here for bar stools, a little bit higher countertop so that my guests would enjoy sipping whatever they like wine or whatever they want, because I wanted to make sure I can get their business, right? So I better have to give them some drinks there in that area. This is going to be a really nice bar area, and I already have a design, so if you want, I can give you one of the designs that I like in a bar. So comment down below, guys. All right, so we're going to the main area, guys. Ooh, I love what I'm seeing here, guys. A door from your owner's bedroom going out to your backyard. That's very important for me, because if you're a busy person during the night, you wanted to make sure when you wake up and you have access to the backyard immediately, right? Drink some coffee there. Okay, so I'm gonna span here, guys. Show you the beautiful owner's bedroom. It's not really a big owner's bedroom, but it's doable. All right. I love this floor, guys. It's a little dark on the video, but in person, this is very light. I like light colors because it makes the room even larger. Again, I will upgrade this definitely. After I moved, I would put really nice design here of wall tiles. And then this one, I don't know if the builder can do like a without this thing here, right? There's something where you can just quickly walk without stepping up. And that is very important whenever, if you can no longer afford to do that step, right? Double sink. Hello, guys. Double sink will always prevent divorce at some extent. And then you have your toilet area here. As I mentioned, guys, this is your closet area. Pretty nice size, actually. You can actually put some LED lighting here. Nice cabinetry with lots of LED lighting so that it makes it more interesting. And as I mentioned a while ago, this particular area here is perfect for me, because if you're very busy, you wash your clothes, go back here into your closet and put your clothes back easily. All right, this is your living room, main bedroom area with access to the backyard, and this is your main bathroom. Let's go back to the main area here. I love this open floor plan, guys. Let's see if we can. I don't think we can go outside, but we can try. There's no harm in trying. Again, they lack this, so we can't go outside. But this is your backyard, guys. I believe this is a pool-size backyard, right? You can put a pool here, no doubt. It's pretty good size. It's not the biggest, but at the same time, there is a space there, somewhere there, to put your pool. So definitely love the high fences there to have more privacy. And look at this, guys. They already installed this roof, so you have some shade there, which is totally appreciated. I wouldn't prefer this kind of floor, honestly. I like a floor that's lighter and not too busy. Let's spend one more time on this one, guys. I wanted you to be able to appreciate the openness of this floor plan here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you guys tuning in with me today in this tour. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe down below so that you will see all the videos that I post every day and some community alerts as well, so that if you like the community, then you'll be the first one to make a buy of that community while it's still cheaper. Because once a community is well built already, and near sold out, then it's already expensive. So tune in, make sure those bell notifications are on so that once I post a community alert, you'll be able to see them. But again, thanks so much, guys. We are growing. Say hi if you're watching from all over the world, and also if you're in the United States, say hi. And if you're in Vegas, please comment down below. And I just moved from Maryland last December. I already bought my house, and now I'm trying to see my second investment house as well here in Vegas. So please stay tuned on that one as well. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, have an amazing day.